guys really think this dimmable ceiling fan with lights for reviewing purposes. And I think that it's quite light. It comes very well protected on lots of foams, and each piece comes with the fan. This is a base for the motor and where to hang the light. This is a cover for the light. Okay. We've got some gloves. We have in here now. Well, let's take everything all out. Okay. These are the LEDs. They're nice. They're magnetic, so you can place them easily. Here we got a base, a hanger. This attached to this supports it. Here we got the plates. So let's go right now and install it upon the roof. This is nice. You can place it on a sloped ceiling. It doesn't have any big difference between a sloped and a regular ceiling, which is nice because it can move like this. Okay, depending on where you wanna place it, you can slope it, change, which is really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. I'm gonna install it in here. So let's go. Ready. It's really nice. The fan is really silent, which is something perfect. You can change the temperature of the light with these buttons or the brightness. As you can see, it's very bright. You can change the speed. Turn it off, on. You can program it, and with this juggle it. So it's really nice, and I would recommend it. It's perfect for your living room, your room, wherever you want to put it. It's really nice, really easy to install. So I would recommend it. So yeah.